Good morning, students. I think every one of you like the stories. So, today I am going to tell you a story. This is very interesting story of a priest and the organizer. Do you know what is mean by priest? Hmm? A person work in a church is known as priest or father. Yes, I know. Every one of you eager to listen a story. Then we will start a story. The name of this story is False Pride. What is the name of this story? False Pride. Pride means proud about their work. How the wrong or the false proud of their works that organizer have we will learn in this story. Okay, we will start the story. There was a church in America. Where was that church? That church was there in a America. In that church, one priest was there. He was very clever and kind person. One day, one group of people from the Environment and the Animal Protection Society came to the church. They meet to the priest or father. Hmm? Why they meet to the father? They meet to the father for some financial help to their organization. They want some money from father as a charity to their organization. They told that they run some organization. This organization work for the protection of the birds and the animals from the lawbreakers and the hunters. And they requested to the priest, they requested to the father that give some money for their organization. The priest was listening these things very silently, very calmly. As soon as they said, give some money to us, that time priest asked one question to them. There was a terrible famine broken out in South America. Yes, the government had published a death of a 1 lakh people in this famine. Has your society done anything for them? Your organization gave some help to them? The priest asked this question to the people. Hmm? There was a famine, people were hungry, not getting anything for eating. Many people died in this famine. Hmm? See in this figure how the peoples were there. So, priest asked, you did anything for that people who suffered from that famine, who died in that famine, for their family you gave some help or not? As soon as listened these things, the head of the organization answered, why we have to help them? Hmm? They were backward, they are illiterate people, and our organization works for the animals, birds, for the protection of environment. We are not doing help to the people. It is not a duty of us, it is not a work of us. As soon as these things listen by the organizer, father control his rage or father control his anger and said, I have not only sympathy for those organizers who do not offer handful for a rice for that starving or the hungry brothers. Yes, or who gave medicines for those who are suffering from the illness, but raise the funds for spending a money for the animals, birds, as well as they organize national and the international national and the international events and spend lot of money. Yes, what the father said, I don't like that people who do not help the needy one and spend money into the different events. Many times people came together for protecting the world, for protecting the environment. Many discussions were there, many programs were there, and they spend money in that things. So I don't like these things. Instead of that, I like that people who work for the people who were really needy ones. Organizer did not know what to say, but he bolstered or said or slowly continued their argument. And what he replied, Father, what you are saying it is true, but environment problem is very serious. We need an urgent attention of a people towards it. So we organize these things. Praise said that from my point of view, thousands of the childs with a malnutrition are dying on the streets. Thousands of the people are becoming the victims of the starvation, or they are not getting anything for eating. They were hungry. These problems are important instead of the other things. Spending money on the several events and spending a lot of money on the different events or national and the international level. At that time many entertainment programs were there, and we spent a lot money in that time. Hmm? It is a brutally against the humanity. Father replied, it is not a good. Many times you conducted or you organized the meetings or the events on national and the international level, and that time many entertainment programs were there, and we spent a lot of money on that. It is a brutally against the humanity. It is a cruelty. We cannot do like this one. Understood this? Again, what that priest said? That priest said, a poor priest like me has nothing to do. When I saw these things, which things that priest saw, that he mentioned here. When I saw these things, my heart is rending. Rending means crying. Yes, with the sorrow. When I saw the hungry children's crying for a morsel. Morsel means a bite of a food. There is nothing to eat. The small children are crying. They want something for eating. That time the heart of the father was crying. When the people live on the road in a extreme cold, they have not house, they are living on the road, they are beggars, they are not getting shelter. When the extreme cold was there, when the extreme heat was there, people were living on the road. That time the father feel very sad for that people. Many times the beggars or the poor peoples was not getting a drop of medicine. Yes, many times they were handicapped, wounded, they ill, but they are not getting a little bit medicine. That time he feel very bad or sad for the uh, sad for the that poor people. Them, and the father said, what we have to do for that? Alonely I cannot do anything. I am the poor one. I cannot do anything alonely. First we have to give them food. What we have to give them? Firstly we have to give them food. After that we have to give them shelter and the education. Three things were very important for that poor peoples, that first we have to give them the eating things, food for them, shelter for them, and at last we have to give some education to them. Due to that poor people can earn some money and live properly. Yes, as soon as these things said by the father, all that peoples was listening to the father. That time the organizer said, "Yes, father," and he murder. Murder means he said very slowly, hmm, with his heavy heart. He said, "I am agree with you. Whatever work we are doing before, it is not a correct one. First, we have to help the people who are living in a society, who are the needy ones, who need who are the beggars, who are the poor, who suffered from the different famine, heavy rain, drought. To them first we have to help. When we help them, then if we have money with us, then we will help to the animals, birds, and we will work for the protection. And when the organizer understood these things, he joined father to help the mankind first. Means that organizer said, "Yes, from today I will help to the people who are the needy ones." Do you like this story? What do you learn from this story? We learn that we have to help the needy ones. Don't waste money on unnecessary things. Whatever the necessary things are there, first we have to do. When we have more money, then we can use that things for the anyone's help. First one, you have to help needy one, and second, don't waste the money. Understood this story? Okay, now read this story. Here I given this story to you. Read this story once or twice and write down exercise given below. Okay? Bye.